The 6th of August, 1945, Hiroshima. The 9th of August, 1945, Nagasaki. In seconds, two thriving cities were reduced to rubble. The atomic bombs took over 200,000 lives, and left survivors, known as Hibakusha, grappling with unimaginable loss. But Japan didn't give up. Instead, the tragedy sparked something incredible: the will to rebuild and transform. By the end of 1945, survivors were clearing debris, planting gardens in ruins, and constructing makeshift shelters. The Japanese government and local communities began laying the groundwork for reconstruction. The US and Allied forces played a role in providing aid and guiding reconstruction, but the heart of Japan's recovery was its people, resilient, determined, and united. In Hiroshima, the iconic Peace Memorial became a symbol of remembrance and a commitment to peace. Nagasaki, too, embraced its role in advocating for nuclear disarmament. Japan prioritized rebuilding not just cities, but lives. Schools reopened within months. Businesses began to recover. Survivors shared their stories to ensure history wouldn't repeat itself. By the 1950s, Japan experienced what's known as the Japanese economic miracle. Industries like technology, automotive manufacturing, and electronics led the way. Hiroshima and Nagasaki transformed from symbols of destruction to icons of resilience. Today, they stand as reminders of what humanity can achieve through unity, determination, and a shared vision for peace. Every year, these cities host ceremonies to remember the past and inspire the future. Survivors, activists, and leaders come together to say, "Never again." From ashes to innovation. From tragedy to triumph. The story of Hiroshima and Nagasaki proves one truth: no matter how dark the times, hope can light the way.